So what I'm going to talk about is putting these things together. Woo. So after you've practiced, I want you to practice in several ways. We practice in different ways to really understand these concepts three-dimensionally. Music, I like to think about music concept as this object, and you have to understand it from this side, and then from that side, and from that side, from all sides, in order to really be able to do this thing. So after you've played just the right hand, the whole thing, so you understand the context, right? Really get that, because that's the music. That's what the tune that you want to hear. And then the left hand, really understand the whole thing in its entirety. So up to A, then all the way back to E, then all the way back to B, then back down to G, then you skip B, E. Okay? Really get that into your system. And then you can start to, and again, this is the challenging part. This is really challenging. You know, I'm glad that you want to do this, but try not to get frustrated. This takes a lot of time to really get this stuff down. When you start to put the hands together, you want to take it in little bites. Okay, so we go. The first one would be this in the left hand, just. G, F sharp, E. And in the right hand, the first one is E, F sharp, G. It's opposites, right? So familiarize yourself with each part, right? And then you play them together. Right? That's it. Just do that until it feels comfortable. Don't rush yourself. Try not to tense up your hands. You know, we tend to do that when we're thinking really hard. We go, rah! But, you know, breathe. Okay, then the next bite is this. We go A, B. Just focus on that little piece. A, B. And in the right hand, what's that? F sharp, E, D sharp. So make sure you've got with the rhythm, and then you put them together. It's together, right, together. So we're gonna together, right, together. And play that until it feels comfortable, right? And you're not straining your brain or your fingers. Then put the first one and the second one together. Okay? The next part, I'll just go through the parts so that you can try them at home. The next of the left hand is just A to G. Just think to yourself, A to G, one note at a time. The right hand, E, F sharp, B. So you play it a few times. Okay, got it? Got the left hand, A to G. And then you go together. Together, right, together. Together, right, together. Until you've got it. Then the next piece, I'll just go to the next piece. We have F sharp to E. The right hand is C sharp, D sharp, E. Right? So I do each of those a couple times, make sure I got them. I put them together. Together, right, together. Together, right, together. And at that point, it's fun to start at the beginning, see if you can do all of them, right? But think in that. Think in little bits. How do you say petit morceau?
Parfait.
Hey, you make me want to study my French again. It's been so long. But yeah, one after the other. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So if you've studied each little piece and you're comfortable with each little piece, you should be able to go 1 to 1 to 1. Let's finish just because. I know you can do it. So the next piece, part 5, is F sharp to G. The right hand is D, C, B. So we put them together. Together, right, together. So you just do that. Part 6, A to B again. Part 6 over here, we've moved, so your fourth finger is on A, so you're A, G, F sharp. And you put them together, A's together. Boom, right, together. Together, right, together. And now this next part is the only time the rhythm changes in the right hand. So instead of boom, 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 we're just eighth notes the whole way. The left hand is still quarter notes. So we just did. Okay. The next part is A to G. And this part is G, A, B. We're going to stop there. Actually, let's put one more note. G, A, B, A. So G, A, B, A. And this one is A to G. So G, A, B, A. At the very end, B to E. And what do we do? G, F sharp, E. So G, F sharp, E. G, F sharp, E. So I'm going to just review all of the pieces, just so we can. Do you have a question?
Yeah, do you keep your finger on the note as you change to the other one, or do you actually let it go?
Shorter notes for now, separate. Keep things separate for now. Again, that's more of a refined articulation technique that I'm not super worried about right now. The most important thing is that your notes are separate right now. So when you're playing, just have space between the notes. Don't worry too much about the subtleties right now. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, oops, sorry, part 6, part 7, part 8. Okay? So pause the video, rewind the video, watch it as many times as you need to. Okay? I think you can do it.